This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys had a great week this past week. In this video I want to talk about my analysis for USD for Aussie USD, and as usual I'll start with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the weekly time frame we can see that over the last few months that price has just formed this double bottom pattern. All right, and price got to this resistance area over here around the 0.756 area, and then quickly rejected off it, and then moving all the way down. Now price just broke this resistance or this support area here, and price closed below it strongly as well. So what I'm expecting is for price to more or less continue downwards a little bit, probably retrace up to the 0.72 area, and then we'll be looking to for any reversals around there. But I feel like price will continue this bullish run just a little bit, but not too significantly to the downside. So I'm not expecting price to break all the way down to the 0.7 area. Price may end up getting just to the 0.71 area before giving us a sort of reversal to the top, and most likely once price starts to reverse, it will move all the way to the 0.79 area. So this is the sort of move I'm expecting on Aussie USD. And if you look closely as well, you can see that this move is basically inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so with that being the left shoulder, with this being the head divided into two, that's with the double bottom pattern, and then the shoulder, the right shoulder is about to form now, so which could form around this area here between this support level at the 0.72 area or the 0.71 area, which we expect price to get to. And then if price gives us a bullish reversal around that area, then we'll be looking to complete the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and price moves all the way to the 0.79 area, where we'll be looking to exit the trade. So this trade here will be an excellent trade to trade in the long run, and with a very good risk to reward ratio as well. We'll be looking at risking maybe about 75 pips, and to take profit around 750 pips. So that's a very good trade to take on the Aussie USD. But this is looking in the long run, and price obviously would not move smoothly to the top, and there will be a lot of retracements and takeouts and things like that. So you always have to be careful when trading this sort of long term trade. But in the long term, that's what I'm looking to happen. That isn't to say that price may not just fall all the way back down to the 0.7 area. That can happen as well. So you have to be very careful, but in the long run, on the weekly time frame, that's what I'm looking at. If we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that price has just broken below this support area here and closed below it as well. So I'm looking at price probably continuing this down run, maybe retrace just a little bit, and then continuing either to this resistance level here or to this resistance support level there, or the support level down there. So if that happens, it's also a great opportunity for us to be able to capitalize on it. And we'll be looking to get about 150 pips on that move as well, so which is a very good trade to look out for. And when price gets down to this area here, the 0.71 area, then we'll be looking to take our profit, and then expecting a bullish reversal from there. Again, like I said, the bullish reversal could happen from this level as well. So it's you need to be very careful. And we can also trade it, and that would give us some pips. Not as much as we would like, but it's still something that we can do on for as a day trader. We can look to risk about 20-30 pips and gain about 80 pips on that move, so which isn't a bad trade at all as well. But just looking at it, I'm still expecting price to continue to the downside. And again, when you go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll be looking to take our entry, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame that this support level was broken quite strongly, and you can see this strong bearish candle that broke through it, and that's why I'm expecting price to continue to the downside. So me trading this would be me entering into the sell trade immediately. My stop loss will just be above this candle here around 70 pips, and then I'll be looking to take my take profits at 130 pips thereabouts. So it will be about a 1:2 risk to reward ratio is what I'll be looking at for this trade. And again, we just have to be very careful when price gets to the 0.72 area. I'll take that's my take profit one, and my final take profit will just be down here as well. So that's how I would trade this basically. And then even if price gives us the opportunity to capitalize on it more by retracing back into this area, then I'll look for a bearish reversal pattern here. And if price gives a bearish reversal pattern, I'll enter more positions and then take the trade for that down, and that would even give us more pips as well, and reduce and increase our risk to reward ratio. So there we'll be risking maybe about 30 pips, and we'll be looking to gain about 150 pips, which is also good as well. So for Aussie USD, this is what I'm looking at. I'm expecting price to continue its bearish run, and until it gets to either the 0.72 or 0.71 area, and possibly the 0.7 area, but I don't think price will fall that far before reversing to the top. And if price just give us a good reversal pattern, then we should be entering in for the long term, because I think price will continue its bullish run for a while. So this has been my analysis for USD, for Aussie USD. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis video. I've also noticed something as well, that it's possible that price could reverse from here all the way down here to back to this trend line or resistance area before falling. And if that happens, then it's also a good opportunity for us to capitalize on the down move. But generally speaking, like I said, I will be selling Aussie USD, but it's just to look for good opportunities to enter the market. So I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe for more analysis video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.